Hi there, and welcome to another craft video. My name is Ellen, and today we will be making DIY gift boxes, just in time for Valentine's Day. For this craft, you will need cardstock or other thick paper. I'm using a page from a coloring book so that my gift box will have a cool pattern. You'll also need scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. First, you'll need to make your paper into a square. To do this, fold one corner over to the opposite edge of the paper. Then do this to the other side as well. You'll need to remove the excess paper, so fold it over to create a crease, and then cut along the crease. This will leave you with a square of paper. Now, fold your paper in half, making a triangle, and then fold it over again. And then fold it over one more time, leaving you with a small triangle of paper. Now, take your ruler and on the folded edge, measure up 2 inches from the corner and mark it with your pencil. Take your scissors and cut from the mark you made in a curve toward the top of the paper. When you unfold your paper, it should look like 4 petals. Fold each petal along its bottom edge . This will form the bottom of your gift box. Now fold your paper in half, and then in half again. You should have 2 half petals at this point. Along the folded edge, at the top of your petal, cut out the shape of a heart, or whatever shape you want. Just be careful to leave it attached. Next, on the other side, cut out a small sliver of the paper, big enough for the heart to fit through. Unfold your paper and make sure that the slivers are large enough for the hearts to slot through. Now, pull the petals with the hearts together and then slot them through the other 2 petals. Now you have a cute little gift box. Add some candy, and you have the perfect gift for your Valentine. Thank you for joining me, and have a good night.